Hey Naturalistas, this is Allie from Natural Hair Community, and I am letting you know that the Natural Hair Community is having a meetup June 14th through the 16th in New Orleans, Louisiana. Hey, come and get your second line on with us in New Orleans. Let me give you a rundown of all of the activities. I'm still in the early stages of planning this, but these things have been confirmed. On the 14th of June, we are going to have a meet and greet and tour New Orleans. I want to show you why I love New Orleans so much. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some tours of New Orleans, and I want to show you some of the plantations around the area. One in particular is called Laura Plantation, which was owned by a Creole woman. Creole is just another name for a mixed, a biracial person. And yes, black people owned slaves during that time. So we're going to take a bus tour of Laura Plantation. Again, another meet and greet. Also have a little dinner during that time. On the 15th is the actual meet-up date. And we're going to have vendors. We're going to have seminars. And also, I am so pleased to announce that Beauty on the Bayou here in New Orleans, which is a highly respected natural hair salon, has agreed to come and talk to us about taking care of our natural hair, what kind of styles we can achieve with our natural hair, and also they will be available to do some styling sessions with us if you want to have your hair twisted, braided, or flat iron. They will be available to do that with us. On the 16th, and then the evening of the 15th, I like for us to do a jazz dinner on the riverboat. So we're going to take a jazz cruise on the riverboat, on the Natchez or the Creole Queen down the mighty Mississippi. And on the 16th, that's basically a free day if you're going to travel back home. If not, I would invite you to come to my church and worship with us. I'm just so super excited to put this event together for you. I'm in the process now of meeting and touring different hotels in the area where we can have our meetup. I'm also looking at rooms for you all so we can block them off and get you a discounted package. Now, keep in mind that New Orleans is a convention city. So the rooms will be no less than $100 a night, but I'm trying to ensure that we can get at least a decent rate. So if you live here in New Orleans, of course you won't need a hotel, but I will put the event on Eventbrite. I want to say about 3 months prior to our June 14th date that we're going to meet. I'm going to put the event on Eventbrite. You will be able to purchase tickets for the meetup. If you are wanting to do the jazz dinner, would love to see you there. I am just super, super excited. I have some vendors and giveaways and gift bags that are being prepared for us. Again, just super, super excited. So come to New Orleans. Come to New Orleans. I would love to meet you all. Hey, have a good day. Talk to you soon.